Welcome to the Alnwick Garden. Pre-booking with us is now essential to get into the garden. We're going to walk you through the pre-booking process. First, type in the Alnwick Garden, and just like one of our fountains, we pop up. Select Buy Tickets Now. Please scroll down and read through our COVID guidelines and prices. To book, press the button at the bottom of the page. Pick one of the 4 options: Summer Garden Day Tickets, Adventure Golf, Summer Quiet Hour, and the Afternoon Tea for 2. Once selected, you will be able to book your tickets. The maximum capacity is 6 people. Once you've selected the amount, pick your date and time, and then go to checkout. Enter your details, and then you're good to go. We can't wait to see you soon at the Alnwick Garden.